I always start the drawing with a 9B pencil. Once the drawing is completed, I trace over all the lines in black. Continue tracing all the lines in black until you finish the lettering and the characters, everything. Once you trace all your lines in black, proceed with the colors, from the lighter colors on to the darker colors. Since I'm on the face, I'm going to continue with the eyes in blue. Continue painting the glasses in blue and wherever there's going to be. On to the next color, which is pink, and wherever it goes. Now that I got the pink in my hand, I'm gonna throw some extra flair in there with that pink, because that pink is popping, so I'm gonna make sure it stands out. Continuing with the letters, I think I'm gonna make them yellow, pink, and red. Why not? Yes, that pink and red gonna make it pop even harder. This is coming out beautiful. Let's do the outlining of the letters in red, and I'm gonna throw some stars around the pink to make it just pop. You really want it to stand out. You'll see it from down the street. Okay, the red is looking lovely, 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 lovely. Don't throw them extra additives, the black where it's needed. Let's put a little shade on Tweety Bird's shades. Got a couple of letters up here. Let's throw some black around those and make them complete and stand out. And we're going to proceed on with the white. And now the final touches and highlights with the white. And voila, just like that, beautiful. Color Schemes Airbrush has the rare touch and flair the others out there simply can't compare with. That's Color Schemes Airbrush, located in Georgetown, Savannah, 305-316-8889. Holla.